Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Elizabeth Cabrera. Year good 8. I am going to answer the question. I have been at my sister's house. I think I have lives on story lives. I have traveled to so many countries. I love Stone Cool. I love Beat many of times. Perfect. I am just Mr. the Woman. My travel gaps open my eyes. I have seen I love of beautiful things, and I have helps and drawn summit strength ups and dreams. Thank, thank you, teacher. See ya in the next class.